All right guys, today we are installing our Invisa Shield FLX clear bottom paint onto the bottom of this 30-foot boat. Pretty easy to install. You basically just roll it on with a roller. This is the Invisa Shield FLX. That's it. It's a clear bottom coating that goes on. It makes it so barnacles and whatnot just easily knock right off the bottom. They really can't get a good grip. So installation is pretty easy. I'm doing most of it with a 9-inch roller and a 6-inch roller today. So I'm applying it pretty liberally. I put on a good amount. I just opened my second can, and this is the last section of the boat that I've got to do. So 1 gallon pretty much did the entire 30-foot boat, except for one little section here. So we give you plenty in the kit. So basically just roll it on. Now you can do 2 coats, but if you do it right the first time and you put it on heavy enough, you only need to do 1. And I've done a lot of boats, so I'm gonna put it on heavy enough that I only need to do 1 coat. So it's really just putting it on, spreading it out, making sure I've got good coverage on there, which I do have. You can see the difference from here to there. You can see if you turn that way, you can see that that section is done already, and that's what it looks like. It'll be fully cured and dried in a couple hours here. It does dry pretty fast. But it's basically putting it on, which you can see. And this is a real boat that's actually at our facility getting completed. So all the videos that we show you guys are really us applying to customers' boats. So we really do this. We have a extremely busy, active detail shop here in Southwest Florida in Naples. So we really do all of the things that we're showing you are really being applied to customers' boats. So we really use everything that we do. And that's basically it. You can see how that went on. I've got really good coverage. It's on really heavy. That's what I'm looking for to get coverage. The whole boat, once I started rolling it on this morning, took me about 1.5 hours to 2 hours to do. So it's a pretty fast install. I'm gonna show you guys up top here too, because we're doing the water line. So let's go up top. You guys can watch me do this water line up here. And you can see this boat sits in the water pretty strange, and it did get barnacles all over the side of it that we did clean off. So I'm going to show you guys how we apply it to the water line. So basically the same concept. You probably can see it a lot better up here. You can go over all the metal. These guys want everything covered, so we're putting it on literally everything. The whole back of the boat, they want it on everything we can put it on, because this boat came in pretty rough. It took a while. It took 2 days almost to get it cleaned. And you guys can see how it's going on. Again, just work it in. You got to go over it a few times to make sure that you're getting really good coverage on it. I don't want to do it again. I only want to do it 1 shot. And you guys can see how that went on. Let's check out the other side, and I'll show you guys what the other side looks like, because we already did it. So I did this side about an hour ago. You can see the line that was taped off. I already removed the tape. So that's our line down the whole side of the boat. This boat does sit deep in the water, so his barnacles were up really high. So we went through and did the tape up to where the barnacles were on the boat. And then we're gonna cover the whole back of it. If you guys wanna climb under here, we can see what it looks like after about an hour. We'll take a quick look underneath the boat. That's what it looks like in about an hour. Anything that's dripping or running, I'll come back in usually an hour and just knock those things off, and they'll come right off. But you want to have it on heavy enough that you got a good heavy coat on the boat. Really protects it well, guys. And that's our Invisa Shield FLX. So if you hate bottom colored paint on your boat that's ugly, we got a clear version. Absolutely amazing. We've applied it here to over 100 boats. So absolutely amazing. That's the Invisa Shield FLX. It's from Dura-Coating. Everything we have is the absolute best.